Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to prepare Herbal Magic Hair Oil for healthy hair. And it promotes rapid hair growth naturally. As a bonus, it makes your hair soft and shiny. Let's get started. To prepare this hair oil, we need hibiscus flowers and leaves. These beautiful blooms are packed with nutrients. It will nourish your hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Here I am preparing 250 ml oil, collecting the flowers and leaves accordingly. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and amino acids. Curry leaves can help strengthen hair roots and prevents premature graying. Let them dry completely. Make sure there is no moisture in the hibiscus flowers, leaves and curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds to it. Smash the dried flowers and leaves into powder. I am taking 200 ml coconut oil and 50 ml castor oil. Take a bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Stir well. Now transfer the mixture to a bowl and keep it on low flame. Stir occasionally. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the flame. Let it sit until the oil is completely cool. Transfer the oil mixture into a clean dry bottle for storage. Leave it for 48 hours. After 2 days, you can transfer the oil into a bowl and you can use it. Apply and massage the oil to the roots and tips. Store this oil in room temperature. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.